Does project-based learning have a place in language classes in Korea?
I think I can fully understand where this question is coming from. Does project-based learning have a place in language classes in Korea? Well, if we consider that most of the class activities done in English classrooms, English is subject actually in Korea, is pretty much test-oriented and grammar translation and reading comprehension, maybe one might easily think that project-based learning is impossible. But I would have to disagree on that because as a whole, it is widely recognized and well understood that language education, English language education in Korea should involve more activities that can encourage students to become communicatively competent, which requires students to have more opportunities to use the language in kind of simulated settings and doing some projects as well. And when it comes to project-based learning, one of the first things that would pop into my head would be working on a classroom newspaper or have a small-scale interviews with their peers. And as long as those activities can be well guided along the way and with specific details from the teachers or their peers even, and if it's like a longer period of time, it doesn't have to be rushed, and then it has have to be the cram sort of session. And I think then in that case, students would be able to have a lot of fun, and of course will be able to acquire much linguistic knowledge, and of course make it into their own knowledge they can actually use during that time period. So in that sense, my answer to that question would be yes, absolutely.